I won't need a candle close here. I won't need another bearish candle close here like over here. See, we'd need a bearish candle close at a resistance. If we end up closing above it and coming back in range, so we'll see the time frames line up, right? Because a 15 closure above this area doesn't mean that the hourly won't close right here, right? The hourly won't close like this. Just because the 15 closed, above. The hourly might end up looking like this. So we'll see. We'll see if higher time frames can respect this area, and if they do, you'll slowly start to see the 5, the 15, the 30, they'll all fall in line. We'll start looking to take a position. But if we come up and drive up to here.
Yo, what up, Fawn? How you doing?
If we drive
Thanks
up
for joining me.
Area,
I just jumped on right now. Wick's doing his analysis right now.
As I see.
Okay, look. Okay, remember, I am your pioneer, fam, for sure, bro. We're gonna make it to the top. Don't even trip. I got you. See, look at this three-piece. Look, there's this right here, right? And then this one on the inside. So what this usually tells me is that since this didn't get hit, what I've noticed usually happens is that we go to our previous high, which is, I believe, which is around these areas. Yeah, look, this is exactly it. This is going to be the top right here because we went to the previous high, which was this guy. So if we grab liquidity here, we're going to probably mirror that because this three-piece that happened on the hourly, this is the three pieces that's happening. So what would need to happen is, I believe this candle is going to form a top wick, and then this is the candle that we might need to, yeah, and that's where I was saying is that this, if you remember in the yesterday's trade, the one that we were talking about it being green, that was the one that ended up going up to touch that last liquidity area before coming down. So this is what I'm thinking is that if this one gets closed at this area, I think the next candle could be the one that wicks up, and then on the way down it could be, but look, it is breaking up, so it could even be this high because now we're on the hourly. I wouldn't doubt that it could even come up to this area now. So where I'm thinking, I'm gonna be watching. Remember this though, Fawn. If Wix 9 gets into a trade, I think he's gonna get into it around this 22 area. But that's the thing, is he's going to get into it around this area. But I think it's going to be, this is where he's going to do his first one at. And then his second one is going to be the one that does the pineapple. Or, look at this. Or I could be wrong already. Look. Oh, there it was. There it was. That was it. It was that piece. Because I need 10 pips, right? So we're going to need to come all the way down to here at least. Yeah, that was the move. Ah, that was it. Okay, so it was the previous high. I was thinking it could be possibly the one up there because the three-piece happened on the 1 hour, so I would assume maybe it could do this high up here. But that's where I'm thinking is that maybe it is still the previous high, because if you notice, this is where we came from the bottom. This would be the high of all of this move right here. So that's where I was saying is that's where we usually go to before we make that decision, is we go up to the previous high. So we'll see right now how it goes, but that was kind of my idea. I think I might have just missed it, but it's all good. We're going to see right now what Wix is talking about.
Wick to 26, come down to 13, and then drive up, which would make the daily by the end of the day tomorrow look like this. Right? And you can look for entries here for buys, but before we come down there, the price is up here right now, right? So we are going to look for sells to this
One
area.
second,
so
Fawn. I'm going to go grab something to eat
area,
while I'm watching this.
right?
1 second.
Right, this is the daily time frame, so that would fall in line with the daily, giving us a bottom wick and flipping. Right, so let's see if we can reject anywhere in these areas. Ooh, the 15 closed, right? The 15 closed with no top wick here. Okay. Yeah, this 5 closes bear here in 2 minutes, right? We're gonna look for a top wick to break the previous 5 high and then a sell. Okay. So let's see what he can establish here. Because now the 30 and the hourly have a top wick. If they start flipping, it means, all right, this is going to be interesting. So the 4-hour closes here also in 4-hour closes here in 40 minutes. This is
Look,
interesting.
there it goes.
Because
It's gonna go
ideally we
down.
want the 4-hour
Remember,
flip here,
Con,
right?
I called it, but no, I didn't call it because if I
Let's see
called
if
it,
it
I
can
would have.
happen in the
I would have
next
took it
20, 30 minutes.
almost. But
Because
that
this is
was
gonna
the
be
top
key how
wick,
the
I believe.
4-hour closes, right? If the 4-hour closes above 21,129, we're looking.
But that's what I was saying, Fawn. When their 3-piece happens
So
and it's green,
you'd have to see
it's most
closures
likely
above
gonna go to
22
the
flat,
highest
smaller time frame,
top first,
and then bottom.
and then if it's red, most likely it's gonna go to the bottom to grab liquidity.
So this is key. We can have buys or sells in this area. It just really depends because we have 40 pips to drive up and we have damn near 100 pips to drive down. So we really have to see how we react, how the candles react at this resistance. All right. Oof. It's filled up really quickly in the first 20 minutes. Appreciate 480 of you on here. Drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new. Thank you for coming through. We're on a win streak. I think we're at 8 straight wins. We have no losses in about 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks. That's just the Asian session. New York session hasn't had a loss in like damn near 2 months. I mean, Devious is killing it. Like, we are really fucking killing it if you think about it. This community is destroying it. I'm not saying anyone else isn't destroying it. I'm just saying, speaking for us. All right, 5 closed here. See if we can get a steep wick here. Because here's the thing. If we also get an entry, a sell here, and if we're wrong, we're gonna have to see the next hourly come down and give us a bottom wick. That'll be our exit. See these kind of movements here? That's what I'd like to see. Something like this. See it rejecting. You could enter here on the wick. You could enter here on the wick. So we want to see something like that over here. Oh, 5-2. I got that off the 30 here. I feel like that's the level that really coincides with everything here, or what we're doing. I feel like that 30 is really precise there. Hey, W. Paul. Appreciate you. Man's in the flex room by himself right now. That's a fucking W. Thank you for supporting. Bro is the flex room. Straight up. Chat, warning you right now, turn your speakers down, all right? This is Paul right now. Yeah, I gave you a fair warning. Gave you a fair warning. What the fuck, man? Oh, all right, you heard that, right? You ain't hear me when I said turn your speaker down, but you heard the yelling part. It was not a fair warning. That was too. Oh, my bad. My mom thinks I'm in a cult now. Need more time to react. Stop playing Fortnite. Does that even exist anymore? Thanks for the heads up. My newborn sleeping on my chest. All right, I gotta realize that. I mean, I do realize that. I just it's not what I think about when I'm streaming. All right, another 5 closing here with no bottom wick. You silly goose. Like, fuck. Let's see if maybe the 15, which would be also a 30 close here. This would be interesting. Because if the next 30 opens with a top wick, no bottom wick, I'm gonna expect
Hey, Fawn,
flip down.
you see what I mean with that 3-piece does? It gives us an opportunity to get into a trade when other people aren't able to.
We all over here reaction to slump. All right. 15 holding with the previous 15 no top wick, right? So we'll be through here again. Hey, Jack. Appreciate you, brother. We don't need the flex room. Wix's tables on. Bracing for the hurricane. Word. Zip tie your J's to the floor. Chill. Answer me. Is he in a position? I don't know. Is he? Guys, is he in a position? He's in a sitting position.
Let me turn this down. Yeah, bro. I will send you a link on Discord of Simulator. Yeah, where you can simulate this setup on paper trading MT4 Simulator, real-time data and speed. Oh, heck yeah, bro. Appreciate that. Thank you. Send that to me. I'll definitely try that.
Hurricanes.
I might even do that on the
Like,
weekends
no
while we wait
Perfect.
for the week to start.
Pool time. Everybody in the pool. Everybody in the pool. They canceled school for this shit. Be like, damn, no lightning yet? All right, kids, no pool. Wait for lightning, and then we go in the pool.
And then this one came up but came down, so I was expecting it to go down. Look at, you see how it went up first? What I realized what that happens is if
West
this
Palm
is like
Beach gets hella flooded. Oh, you must never seen
say
Collins
let's say I
Avenue.
wanted to do one
Um,
less degree,
people
that
fishing on
whole
Collins Avenue.
height
Just
is part of
you
the
could
height
cross the
that
street
if you want
and
to
catch a
get
carp at
here
the same
to
time.
the highest point, that's where we ended up going. And remember how in the car I was telling you it's a
Damn,
sediment?
we rejected here. Look at this.
It's a sediment. So we're going
30 closes here in less than 2 minutes. Let's see. Top wick on the next 30. You know what we doing, huh? You know what we doing, right? The villages, so it's gonna come pretty close to us. It's not. It's like north. It's between like Clearwater and Tallahassee. I don't think it's South Florida's not getting hit. Yeah, Brickell gets banged up. Shorted on your level. I'll have to send you your commissions. All right. I've yet to see a single commission payment from anyone that's taken a W off my trade. Where they at, y'all? Where are these commission payments?
But let's say it was green red. Green red indicates we just need to break that high and then come down, and then that move would have happened. But green green means no, nothing's slowing down yet.
Hoping heads for Tallahassee. Like, what's in Tallahassee? Well, you have an ex over there? You have an ex-girlfriend over there? He's over there doing voodoo, fucking watching the Weather Channel.
That's where we find the support at.
They showing the map of the hurricane. He's
Because it's like if we were coming down,
Tallahassee, Tallahassee.
it lets us know, okay, we're not going any further. Let's say we're going up. Green
You
red
definitely got an
lets us
ex
know we're
living
going
over there.
higher. So green red is resistance. Green red is the opposite, but that's
Oh,
support.
man.
Because let's say this red, this green was we're supposed to go up, but we hit this.
Oh, so high? No, this is normal. This is Wicks at homeostasis. All right. I don't know. We didn't close bearish. We closed bullish here. The 15 closed bearish. The 5 no top wick, huh? This is interesting. Let's see if we can get a top wick for the previous 5.
What I'm saying though is that those three colors. So if, like I said, see how this one is technically green red.
Let's see if we can get a top wick
This one would
altogether.
have just went up and then came down. It would have just flowed straight down from the. But because it was green green like the other one was doing, it had to go up first. So like I said, I've been able to find that out from the other day. But this is the second confirmation that it's worked out. Oops, sorry. I just got back. I was explaining something.
I would like a sell above the previous 15.
All right. So sorry, I just seen your message.
That would
Real
be
time.
really nice.
Best thing is you can start from 2021 and forward the candles. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. 2 times speed, 4 times speed. Check Discord. I sent you a pic of Nick analysis of Asian says. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. How's your day going, Fawn? I appreciate you for doing that for me too. All right, yeah, I got that simulator perfect. And then his analysis. Let's see what he says.
I want us to break the previous candle
Lies
high. If we
above
can
here
break the previous
closure.
candle high,
No, that's not a
we'll
good
close
sign.
out.
I don't like that. Potential fake. Nope. See, Fawn. I know Nick knows what he's doing. Don't get me wrong. I believe him. I trust him. But what I see, the fake out is in the wrong area.
Might not.
Because the
Might
three
be
piece
it.
would have let me know that the fake out is happening somewhere else. Just my idea. But that's where I say, see, this is where, because his fake out was at 19 whatever down here. The fake out is actually up here at these areas. This is where the fake out, but he's expecting a buy above. But this is also true because it didn't close above. So had it closed above, it would have signaled, power to go up. But how I was able to find that though was because of the three piece. Because the three piece happened on the 1 hour. I'm not sure if I showed you that, but this is what I was saying. Look at the three piece was here on this 1 hour. And since we just continued up, most likely what was going to happen was that we needed to grab liquidity before coming down. And that's where I say I was able to find out the top by looking left, which is our previous high right here. And that's where I say there's this whole thing all the way down. This is going to be the runner right here. This would probably be the runner that we would have wanted to grab to take. And of course I missed it. Ah, shucks. That was it, because I even created a top wick for that previous 5 minute. Damn.
It's not about the 4-hour close here. It's about these candles printing, tapping the right price points.
Yo, what
I
up,
want
Classic
an
Morning
entry
Boys? I
over
slept
here
through that move. Haha,
around these
you
areas.
did. But we just got on. We kind of,
22 and
I didn't want to say I missed it, because you only miss a trade if you're waiting for it.
Right, 'cause the
But
entry
I wasn't
there, that
really
would've been
waiting
already
for it.
pretty
But we were pretty much just preparing for it. Like I was literally able to find, hey, this is the move. This is the move right here. But like I said, that's a good sign that we're on track. Are you not? You are not. Oh yeah, you are not late, Classic. Don't worry. We're still looking for another move. We're gonna find Wix's move and probably write his move down.
Can you tell us advice about patience? Like, I would rather miss a position than be in an uncomfortable one.
That's true. What Wix said. Ooh, we turned around.
Right, it came up, it grabbed liquidity here, it flipped, but it didn't drive. If it was gonna drive, it should have drove there. So it needs more liquidity than what it already grabbed. It's not about if the 30 or if the 4-hour closes doge, it's about, or 30 closes doge, it's about what levels you tap. 30 closed weak, bullish, almost doji, just kind of forced to wait here. Closes above 22, especially on the 4-hour. Yeah, we're gonna look for a bottom wick here at around 1920, and we're gonna look for buys as soon as it taps 1920. If it closes above there.
All right,
That
so
back
Nick's
from today.
Nick's analysis still might be correct.
Oh, session trades, my bad.
Because like I said, that might have been a liquidity grab to continue up. Because if you think about it, the motion usually happens before a move, correct? This could have been the motion that was created to let us know this is, our liquidity area before pushing back up. Go, go, go.
patience is key. It's a lot of traders know what to do, but they just don't stick to the plan. Yeah, execution. Execution is the key. Application of knowledge is the true. Is today high news? No, today is high wick.
Let me know if it's too loud or anything.
Tomorrow, high news. It's 30 looking nice. Hey, it's looking nice, but look at the time. We're up in the last 20 of the 4 hour.
Still rubbing my
What are the
eyes.
chances this 15 flips here?
Same, bro. I finally have to go back to work tomorrow in the morning, so I'm gonna stream
It's
London
hectic
session
minutes
tonight. But
again.
yeah, after London, I gotta go back to work.
Excuse me.
I don't want
I
to
didn't
do
mean
it,
to
but
make 600
gotta
PR
do what I
right
gotta
now,
do
but
until I become a successful
what it is.
trader. So just pushing me more and more.
Can we be profitable without a teacher in trading and just self-learn? You should be. That's the best way to learn, self-learn. Here's the thing, you need, because it's so hard to know what to learn, where to learn, you need somebody to guide you in the right direction, right? Not really teach you the stuff, but guide you, tell you where to go. Expecting gold to make a bottom wick for the daily? Yes. Shit fuck. Cool. I had a friend like that. Are you want to take sells? Yes. Yeah, as long as it changed the game for you, but you stuck with it. It was up to you to stick with what you're doing. You upgraded your mental game, right? You technically don't need me or Don anymore. Like, you're on your way, right? Now it's just all about time, all about the experience you put into it. Calling the market makers to flip this 15. All right, let me know what they say. Let me know how that goes.
Dang, what trade did he take last night? I missed it. I didn't see it. I need to tune into his stream too.
I can't stop yawning. It's been a long day. Smoking a joint with Jerome. Well, tell him to come through and match one. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm over here doing a damn thing. Yeah, tell JP I'm inviting the Pope, and we're gonna light this peace joint.
Fawn, you said I'm watching. You watch? No, I didn't watch his stream yesterday. I missed it. What was he trading? Asian?
Type is your weed. That's the cryptochronic kind of like.
And what do you mean classic? Is his trading the way he trades? Is he's more like a breakout trader, I think. Is that why? Where like Don used to trade like that too, right? But I think Don kind of adjusted a little bit while he kind of stayed the same.
These concepts, people advise me to
Start from 228
to move from price action to these concepts. I think you should stick to what you understand and improve on it. Right? And just upgrade every day. Get better and better and better at what you understand and break it down even more. Add stuff, take away stuff. Don't just switch everything you're doing. Stick to one thing and keep optimizing it for yourself.
228.
Okay, once you can't hear nothing. I got shit to do today.
What do you mean 228? Start from 228 minute.
You get so high, you just be sitting on your stove looking at the fridge, talking about.
Oh, Don's
I bet
analysis.
you there ain't nothing in there. I bet you.
Are more accurate than Nick in my opinion. Yeah.
Boy, it's so funny.
Yeah, you can't outdo the sensei.
Constantly
2 hours.
getting
Oh, okay.
liquidity
Oh, sorry.
before
2
flying
hours
down.
and 20
No,
minutes.
it's probably
Sorry.
that
I
it's
was,
happened like over 80% of the time. Is
that's
it
my fault.
will
I don't know why I
or
was
to grab
thinking 2
liquidity,
minutes.
so
Sorry.
100%. No, it's just the general rule of thumb for the market to drive. It needs to grab liquidity. That liquidity could come in the form of grabbing orders or a catalyst in the market like news or market open and stuff like that, right? And people traders showing up to work in the morning,
right here.
Wall Street opening up, stock market, you know.
Lovely chat. So I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows on gold.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be looking at a target like
previous.
1910. Yeah. So let me tell you guys what's happening here. So
Yeah,
sell
they both
stops,
work good. I think
I'm
if you
gonna
use
have on
both
break
of
of
them, you could take
lows.
trades all day because Don
And
doesn't take a
this what the
breakout
position
because
will
he's
look
waiting
like,
for
right? My
a
stops will be
zucchini,
kept
you know, and
above the
this guy
highs
doesn't
here
take a
for about
zucchini because he's
20
waiting for
pips.
breakout.
My
Yeah, that's
TP
true.
will
For
be down
funded,
around
that's a good idea.
1910.
Because
Right,
you're
if you
not
look at
looking
the
for
30 minute,
pineapples to
there's
get in drawdown
some
and
sort
stuff.
of hold up right here, right around 1910. So that's where I'll be looking to target. And I'll probably move stops to break even and close partials right around these levels here. Right, like right there, go break even. Let me see how many pips that is. It's about 11, 12 pips. Yes, I'll go break even there. And then I'll probably look to close up some partials once we get down, you know, towards these wick fills down here. Just like that. That'll be the trade. That'll be the trade. So grab all this information now. Yeah.
Yeah, he's activated.
It is. If you have magic keys, it says 30. I want.
Oh, that was the trade that we were talking about yesterday, huh?
You have
That
no
is
idea.
true. Yeah,
Great job.
I remember that. That was a. Oh yeah. I know what you were talking about. I remember that trade. We were looking at that one yesterday too. Yeah,
Shit, on the
Don.
4 hour, yeah.
Yeah, Don's
Oh,
ready
yeah.
to be catching
Close
100
up.
pips pretty soon.
Is there any levels? Oh, there is. This is perfect. Yeah, as long as the 4 hour can stay below this area, because that's also a 4 hour level there. I just don't like the fact that this previous 4 hour didn't have a bottom wick. I have a weekend job. I only just turned 18. You guys are so far ahead. 18? Go do fuck all for the next 10 years and come back. I'm just kidding. That's shit advice. Just stick here. But it's so young. Zoom. I got you, dudes. You guys will be way further ahead in life by the time you're like 25, right? Than by the time I was 35. You guys will be way further ahead in life. Enjoy it. Really enjoy this fucking ride. How old was you when you first found Forex? I was 33. 33, 30. Okay, wait. And carry the 2, minus the 14, multiply by 8. Yeah, 30, 33. Yeah, I started trading. Like, first time I seen a chart, I was 33. Yeah, I really hope, like, by the time I'm 50, there's going to be a generation of traders that I was able to reach and help along in their careers. It'd be incredible. I've only been trading for 5 years. Spent 2 solid years just blowing accounts. Me too. I think year 3 and year 4 are really changing years. Yeah, this is worldwide today. We got a lot of people from all over the place here on stream. Appreciate you, Voltron. Thank you for the 2 pounds. Deuces. It's the most important thing in trading, routine. Get yourself a profitable routine and you're good. You're set for life. I know. No. Thank you. Thanks for the reminder. Because you can repeat your profitable routine day in and day out. That's why we talk about, good wins and bad wins, because a bad win is not something you can rinse and repeat. Come in and day out and do it all every single day, right? It's the win that just happened, like that you fell in your lap. Good win is a win that you can come in every single day and do the same thing and repeat it today, tomorrow, and forever. That's when you become a money printer. How long it took you to understand and recharge / candles to the peak point? I'll let you know when I get there. Or shout out my money printer. Yeah, drop a like. Can we get to 420 likes? Let's get to 420 likes. On to higher education. Colleges don't get their money. It's not consciously done like that on purpose. Society supports.
Oh, go for it, yeah.
Can you hear it like in the background? I won't put it like out loud.
No, you're good. I ain't tripping.
Yeah, NKL all over my IG and Don's IG. He's got videos specifically dedicated to that. Go to his IG or go to his YouTube. All right. 5 minutes here and left in the 4 hour. Seems like we are still respecting this resistance. Right? We're getting these kind of movements. On your account, yeah, 10x evaluation. Ain't dropping no bars, no rhymes, no riddles, no soap, nothing. Ain't dropping no bars. Last time I dropped some soap, that shit started skateboarding, doing the half pipe in my fucking bathtub. Vroom. My fucking soap turned into a fucking Tony Hawk. Like, enjoy. assume we're expecting this next hour to push up for wick before coming back. Yeah, I mean, we'll see.
They're all standing straight up.
Yeah, the GH, I was looking at those Himalayan to say at the top of the bridge, so you can see them standing.
They fucking love that water today. I hit them with 100 gallons of this and I just soaked them with water. Yeah. I can still make one more thing, so I just need to go by 8 seconds because I have enough ground, I have enough rain for like another like probably water for the rest of the hour. I need about one.
Minutes here. Once we close here, ideally we open up with a top wick first. It's very highly likely that the 4 hour can come down and create a bottom wick for the previous 4 hour and then drive up. We want as best of an entry as possible, because if you come down and make a bottom wick for that 4 hour, that's 16 pips from here, 22. If you take an entry here, you'll have a chance to get out. $22.4, $22.5 areas. I'll look for sell. Okay. 4 hour close here, chat. See if we get a top wick here. Every time we drive down here, we tend to grab liquidity above this area, right? Over here at 4 or 5 areas. So I'm expecting that same movement to play out before we drive. That's why I highly doubt that this is the drive down. If it is, then God bless this drive. But appreciate the 5, Travis. Flipping the celly, ho down the waterfall, reversing yo. Bars. Crazy. It's that 1 hour bottom wick here, right? Sucks because we came down and we grabbed out that wick.
Saying you're probably, yeah, it's all right. Just you're better off just adding that little bit extra water, like I said, let's try to do whatever we have to do to make this shit hit as hard as it needs to hit. Because like I said, it's only gonna be a ripple effect. More trees, more wax, more money. Everything's a ripple effect. Like I said, if that's where you like the bread and butter, that's where you make the most profits at. Shit, that's where you yeah, worried about that shit. Like I said, you're like you can make all the wax in the world. The only way to get the material to grow more trees. It's all part of the plan. It's so. Oh, bitmesone, my bad. I just got back when I was doing some stuff. I don't know, my man. I'm new to Discord. Hey, sorry, bro. Yeah, I was doing some stuff right now. What happened? I missed it. Just having a cone, boys. Was gonna jump in a call on Discord. Yeah, tricky. All right, create Discord servers. Boss, still busy eating. Yeah, sorry, I was finishing eating, but yeah, I'm done now. Yeah, and I was gonna make a Discord. I know I was telling Fawn I was gonna do it the other day, but I didn't get to do it today. I've been kind of busy, but I plan on doing it in the next few days. Just give me a few more days. I will definitely have it set up. I'm still trying to work on that funded too, bro. It's just like I said, I'm trying to get everything lined up perfectly. Like, you know, everything, trying to get it all together. It's so much, bro. It's not I mean, I can do it, but like I said, it's just a lot of learning and a lot of doing things I've never done before, and that's the challenge, you know, trying to do it. The unexpected is always the hard part.
I have no positions here, chat. I'm looking to come up a bit higher.
Whoa, look at that pump.
What do we tap?
Was that another
We
3-piece?
Yes, I'm looking around 5 areas, about 4 pips higher.
Almost.
Because you want that initial rejection. You don't want a couple of taps into that area. Yeah, if this 5 closes like this, then you want the next 5 to create the top wick for this current 5, right?
All right, so what he's saying is he's waiting for the 5 minute to
Ideally,
open
just
up
so
to
you
create a
can see-
top
see
wick
a
to
top wick
possibly.
come up here, break this high, and then come back in range. You want entries somewhere in this area.
Yeah, he's looking for a possible top wick entry coming in.
Wait, we got half of this 5 minute candle still left to go, 2.5 minutes.
So lock it in, fellas. Let's get it.
a long time, right? Shit doesn't need to wait for nothing. Just flip and go here, but not yet for me. See, 4 hour comes over here, and then see the level we're at right now. Reject here and come down to this area before driving. A good 20 pips over there. 20 pips. It's 11. Hi, beautiful. How are you? I love you. Love you more. She wanted me to make her some food. Now you know mom's in the other room, right? Okay, Wix 12. You guys taking turns coming over here? What's up? You want to eat too?
All right, let's see. Or is this the same trade that Time to Eat made? The one that we were just looking at when he got in at the break of the low. You think that could be the one? This could be the same trade, right? What do you guys think? Fawn? Because he did just...
Yeah, they don't want mom's cooking. Ain't having none of that.
Look, like I'm saying, guys, that might be the one. That might be at the bottom wick like he just took. Look.
Great job you're doing.
Time to eat. Time to eat. Look, fellas. Pretty much the same type of trade, right? Look. See that over there? Yeah, see, because it was kind of like that. It got stuck at that resistance. So I'm thinking, well, no, technically, if you look at his, where he got in, the big red candle has a long top wick. That top wick cleared the first
Give me a sec,
candle.
chat.
So that's why Wix was also saying right here that if this green candle creates a top wick, on the way back down is when we'll get in. I think if this red one would have cleared the top, that would have been the entry. That would have been the good entry. But since this one doesn't have a top wick, this one might need to create it before coming back down. Oh, you know what? This is also a 3-piece, fellas. Look, another 3-piece. Look, top, bottom, top, bottom. So if we get this one to come up on the way back down, yeah, that's exactly where we're going to get into the trade at. So lock it in, fellas. Be ready. Be ready. He had a sell stop. Yeah. No, but yeah, that's what I'm saying, though. If you notice how his candles are set up, his candles are set up right here. If you notice, the green one is like the big one that got stuck at the resistance. The big red one is the one that cleared both the top. If you notice, it has a top wick. That was the one that would be like this red candle.
Sorry, gang.
But this red candle would have had to break the top for this one to be valid for us to take the sales at the bottom of the wick, like how he did it. But I'm thinking that's why Wix is saying in order for us to take this
No, not
trade
for the
right
fucking
now,
kids. You
we
guys
would
are
have
wild.
to go up to come back down. Just my idea, my idea.
I use that to wake up their mom. Like, got him on chow mix. Got the kids on a chow diet.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
15.
See, and then now that we got that support, that
Closes here in
would
minute.
create a
Closes
celery.
Doji.
Hey guys, I've been trying to not drink soda, but man, these last few days I've been drinking so much soda. I need to stop. I just had one a little while ago, but I'm just saying I've not been drinking soda for like a month, and then yesterday I drank one soda, and then it unlocked the beast in me, and now I just keep drinking soda. But now I got some water, but this is what I'm saying, this water don't taste as good.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The 15 has closed. I'm gonna look for a top wick here. Steeper top wicker.
How big is he asking? He's asking for a top wick to get into a trade. Oh, I'm on behind. I'm behind a little bit. Uh oh, here we go. Let's see.
And we break the high.
Yeah, this is another three-piece. Look, fellas, same thing. Red, green inside. We need this to break above. But it doesn't look like it's
Might
happening.
not, at which point it would be a later position. Right? Might not break it here, but wouldn't have an entry here.
You got bad stream delay. Ooh. Let me see something real quick. Oh, maybe too, cause I had all these pages open. Let me know if it's still lagging or not, cause it could have been that because I had like 3 different windows open with streaming. Uh-oh, three piece. Wait for it. Let's see.
You guys show up. I stream.
Get ready. There it goes. There it goes.
Just trade overall.
There it goes.
Because I would trade. All right. No.
205. Oh, we didn't break it. We didn't break it. So there it goes. There it goes. If it comes back down, we're in.
We break the previous high? Yeah, we did.
If we break this coming down, we're in.
Hey, Chad,
There we go.
I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell.
Gotta sell, gotta sell. Oh, I got in a little late, got in a little late. Oh, I got in a little late. I got in right here.
All right. Our stops are going to be around 1930 areas. There. And our TP will be the bottom of this range. There.
Lock it in, fellas, lock it in. Sell now. Fawn, I hear you.
Looks like. Yeah, I took a sell once we broke that previous 15 high, expecting us to come back down in range here. We've respected so far. We've respected this resistance at 2205 so far with every candle. So if we are going to grab liquidity above there, this would be a good time to do it.
21,117.
If it starts driving against us and you get higher time frame closures that are coming up bullish here, then you'll have plenty of time to close out, as you're going to have to come down and create bottom wicks. I'm expecting this candle to flip down after making this top wick here, come back in range. Now, once again, if it doesn't, we'll have chances at pineapples at around 26 area, 25, 26 area. We'll have chances to close out. Thought he was going to buy gold heading up to 35.45. Yeah, it could head up 35.45, but it needs to grab liquidity. Typically, it'll grab liquidity before going up there. So you'll typically see it come down probably around 1930, 13 areas before it drives to 35. Yeah, my entry is 1922.3. $1922.24.
See, he got in right when the same. He got in that same. I did.
224. 224.
Let's go, fellas. Let's eat. Let's eat, baby. How you feel? How you feel? Tell me how you feel. Whoa. Damn, that was the liquidity it needed, I guess. No emotions, brother. Exactly. No emotions. That's true.
Swing trader, if we close above 22, then I'll close straight. See, I mean, sure, but I'm going to look for more pineapples at around 25, 26 area. Or for some pineapples, if we do end up coming up.
That is true. We need to come down.
And
To-
so
We
we're
might
doing,
need to
right?
touch
Study
22962
historical
pineapples. Yeah, gonna have to add a
market data,
pineapple.
what price has done previously in history, and after it's behaving like this here, we're looking for a flip down if it's as it's respecting our area. Respect of 22.22, pretty much every time frame. More position.
They bet the range. That's like I mean, it makes sense. Like I was talking about earlier. It's like you make.
Why that area? Because historically, before it went to 1935, it's tapped there before.
If you win, you have to at least win plus one. So it's like the win doesn't win unless you have a plus, even if it's just one.
That's what he calls
1%.
RR.
Yeah.
You bet one to
Yeah.
always win three, so you could lose technically three times before
And
you wipe
you
yourself.
don't lose $3. You only lose one.
Yeah, but you could lose three times in order to lose your whole account. Unheard of. If it was the other
Uh-oh.
way, you betting three to
You guys know
win
what's
one.
going on here.
It only takes one.
Oh, his song. Turn it up.
Is it me or the song bringing the volume the wrong way? Wrong way, song. I need volume the other way.
Oh. Pineapples. Yeah, we have to get some pineapples, guys. But you know what that means is that what we needed to probably do was probably wait for this to grab a little bit of liquidity. So what I would think the liquidity could probably be right here then. Probably right there where this dotted line's at. So if anything, we might go up to that dotted line right there. We'll be seeing though. We'll check. We'll see. But if you guys notice, there wasn't no three-piece in this area. I mean, there was one forming, but it didn't do what we expected, which also indicates if it doesn't do that, then that's a signal that it's not going to continue down. Because if it was going to continue down, it would have broke like how we expected to. But like I said, this is all learning. We're learning every single day, trying to perfect this three-piece. And once we get it perfected, fellas, no stopping.
That song didn't do much. You guys can all sit down. You all danced for no reason. You all danced for no reason. The market went nowhere. Yeah. 15 really want to be like that? The song right now don't let me down. Fuck them. Why are you in the sauna? trade
You're not staring at it.
is
You're
when
just.
it's on. I wouldn't even feel bad if it's an L at that point. In a damn
I don't have
sauna.
enough money so I could add another pineapple. So if the first one doesn't work out, I can't get in on the second one because the
Can you
way
show
the
us your
locks
My
work
Effects book?
is that
How about new?
it's like you use like let's say a quarter.
Actually, no, I
It's
can't do that.
25.25 out of 4. One
It'll
lock,
take point two
and
fifty.
yeah, you could
I'll
only
make it
use
public
like
once, I
0.25
think
per
next
100.
month.
So you need a whole another
Make
100
it
so you
public
can
in
put
My
another.
Effects
Even
book.
though you're not using the whole 100, it's just like the way the lock. I don't know how it works, but
Well, it's probably because, like they said, they're allowing you to trade with it. So if you lose it, they want you to at least.
We'll
They
look
want
at
to at
this.
least be able to get their.
I never want to see the candle on
Like,
screen. Ever. If this shit gets on screen,
It's not like it
we lost.
yeah.
You gonna trade? Maybe. All right, we had a 15 closure. We had a 15 close above, right? Now you're getting a bottom wick. So you might come up here. You might still come up. You might flip here and come up. Chat, I am not closing my position just yet.
Dang, it's crazy. Let's see. God damn. Let's no
Okay,
emotions.
previous 15 also no top wick, so you expect to come back
Not
down
gonna
in
be a
range
good
over
trade.
here. I mean, no bottom wick.
This was probably the best, one of the favorites, one of the ones he wrote.
So 30 was to drive. You'd expect previous 15 to break the low and then go.
Like they're not the typical lyrics you would expect. Like when you hear it, the
Wants to do that? Not necessarily.
like he's a good artist. He can sing good, but it's the lyrics that really stand out because his lyrics almost like a shock factor.
Yeah, it might break the highs here.
You're not
Come up. This
expecting
is
the
typical.
little like talk shit against the
Typical.
establishment.
Well, like that song I was just listening to, like, well, like,
5.
even though I want to go home, but I really like this one.
But the typical
Like,
15 would be to break
it
the
sounds
previous
country,
15 low and then go.
like it's called Rich Man's Gold by the way.
I heard is that the big one that you got?
No,
big?
it's a different one. And it talks about like. But like it's like
Forex simulator software, there's a lot of it out there.
But like the song is you were born, you just paid bills.
Wicks, we are fucked. Do not project your insecurities onto me.
Yeah.
Please.
And then he says like all you need is a dog cat.
Chilling.
Oh, he's a good one.
It's all we thing. I don't know.
I don't know, it's just like
Exactly. There is no we.
a lot of the songs are like dog artists.
There's me, there's you, and there's your free insight here into what I do. Right? You guys are getting a free behind the scenes look into my thought process. Doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be in agreement with yours. Doesn't, it's just my perspective, right? Doesn't have to be in agreement with you. Nice rejection here. Come up. There's volume. I'll say this. There's volume in the markets. Candles are moving. Front of the scenes, not behind the scenes. No, it's behind the scenes in terms of my thinking and why I'm doing what I'm doing, right? Like I have reasoning behind what I'm doing. It's stuff that works, and that's why I keep doing it. Doesn't mean that it works every single day to the T. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm getting better, but it means that in the long run, this is a winning game.
Hey, guess what? Snoop Dogg be playing hit be fucking still burner a couple months off.
Now, if the hourly closes with no top wick, I might think of pineapples before we get to 25 or 26. Not to say we don't get there by the hourly close, but this stream pre-recorded, it's post-recorded.
Hey, it was awfully quiet in this stream today, huh? This is where the dotted line is where I'm thinking it's going to do its reverse at. I think right there would have been the initial watch. Look, this is what I think is going to happen. This is going to be the line that stays right here. The next candle is going to wick up, and then that's going to be the one that comes down. Because you know what kind of made me think of that is the fact that this three-piece didn't work out. It technically did work out, but it stayed green. So the fact that it stayed green, it kind of lets me know that we needed to grab some more liquidity.
In a sell.
So I think this would be the liquidity.
Sell at 1922.2.
He's taking a sell right here. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing right now. Also, is the fact that that sell is the area. But I'm just saying the next one is gonna be the wick up and then down. That'll probably be the pineapple, if not the. Yeah.
Am I the only one who buys? Well, always takes the opposite first position just to close out at the pineapple and take the pineapple with us. Wicks, you're making me broke? You're down 5 pips. You're telling me I'm making you broke? Yo, get out. Get out. Out of my street. Get out. said you're making me broke. He was down 5 pips. Close out right here at -1. Close out right here at -1 pip, and that's it.
Closing out. Is that what he's doing?
And break even.
Break even.
You can. I mean, nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you're already feeling like that in the trade, right? Like
Nah,
that emotional.
I think it's still because the 3-piece still technically got us in, so I still think it needs to fill this wick. So most likely it's still gonna touch
Wait
this
for a
bottom
better
area.
Position, not in terms of how price sets up, but a position that you'll feel more comfortable in, right? Just need some comfort. Group hug, everybody. Group hug. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Let's go, fellas.
It's a good one.
Uh-oh.
Really sense the energy in that one.
No emotions, right? Break even or try to take some profits. If once it gets in the break even area, I'm gonna trail stop loss.
5.
I'm gonna trail stop loss.
Might come further up. Might break the previous 5 high here. That's a bad closure. Scared. Suppose the swing I've been holding since $1. Why don't you give me a signal, dog? Why no signal? There we go. It's coming up. The 5 here had no bottom wick, so you expect the next 5 to come up, close bullish. How far will it come up? We don't know.
Check 1 hour time frame. Yeah. This is what I was saying though, guys, is that remember how I was saying there's a 3-piece that's forming on this 1 hour, which is this. But the fact that they're both green, what does that tell us? Is that we need to grab liquidity. This is where I think this is like a level 1 breakout. So it's still like in a level 1. It's not level 2 yet.
30-second looking good. Do you hold this straight to create a bottom wick daily? It depends. It depends how this, what we start seeing, where we reject, where we don't reject. It really depends here. It might be straight for a while if it just trickles up, because it might be trickling up, for a few hours, and then when that happens, when it trickles one way, it tends to drive the other way. So if we're trickling up, I'm expecting a drive down.
This is the one that I was saying. Remember? Look, this is going to be the one that wicks up to come back down. So I could see that happening right here. That would be the trade you would probably want to get in. The wick up and then down.
How many shirts do you want to ruin? Here, you can blow your nose right in. It's ruined shirt, bad shirt, number 1. Why you have a stuffy nose? You know what you need to do? You need to put your pillow higher so it doesn't drip into you. You already did that? You're incredible. You're smart, young lady. What? Need some heat, maybe. Okay. I'm gonna think about it. What about the spray?
It tapped 1 hour highs. Look left. Should be all right. 1 hour. Yeah. The 1 hour high would be this guy right here, though. For this.
Got a stuffy nose.
But this is where I was thinking why I would touch this is because this is the area we did get that rejection for the liquidity to come down.
I hate it when my nose is stuffed. It's the worst for sleep. Pushing up, pushing up. Yeah, that's what we just said. The previous 5 had no bottom wick, so you might see this 5 come up and break the previous 5.
Yeah, that's look at like I was saying. This would be the
high. Technically should.
On the way down is where I'm thinking it's gonna come down now, because this would be the liquidity it needs to get back into this area. Because like I said, we're gonna probably at least touch this. This would be the area I'm looking at.
30 seconds for this 15. It would be great if this 15 could close with no top wick. That would be amazing. Otherwise, it's just gonna look to make a bottom wick and come up further, which is all right too. It's not a big deal, but ideally, I want this to play out on stream. Looks at a father sample. Why do you guys not have kids? All right, all right. Can we close like this? You. Damn it. Gave us a top wick. Yeah, we might come up further.
Yeah, look at it's definitely gonna come up. I'm trying to understand, what does he mean? How does he know it's gonna come up bullish? Okay, because there's no range down here. A bottom wick on this red candle would show us that we have a range down here. This top wick is showing we have a range up there, so we could dance up in that range as long as we need. But yeah, that makes sense.
When things have no top wick, when candles have no top wick. Well, this one had a top wick, so I'm expecting us to come up. We're in the middle of a 30 candle, so right, we can still drive. Price doesn't necessarily have to go where it needs to go at the specific moment. It should, right? We want to be able to predict the high volume candle. There's no be all end all here to do that.
Damn.
Can we get a 30 flip?
I want to see options in the actual call. What do you mean? Oh, it's kind I call you in Discord and we figure it out.
The previous 4 hours still doesn't have a bottom wick. We never came down and grabbed liquidity below the previous 4 hour. Which, even if we were to come up, I'd expect liquidity grab below there. At least there.
Uh-oh, there we go. Come on, push.
If I hold till stop loss, my account is gone. You are over-risking, my friend. Stop over-risking, stop over-leveraging. Oh, I don't wait for the 5 to drive up. Quite possibly. Got another minute here.
Create a Discord where we can held meetings via watching live stream. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. I'm just wondering, is it pretty simple?
And the 30 flip. You on that? Yeah, I'm gonna trade. What happened? Chat, give me 1 second. Hold on a second. Flip, maybe a top hook for the 5. Sword. Prisoner. Prisoner. Okay. Sure. Prisoner, sir. Yeah. Up. Which spray you like better? You like this spray or that spray? This one? Alright. Do me a favor. Close the door to my office, baby. Thank you. Love you. Just going to get the move. I don't know. It looks like a 15 flip in here. But we'll see. We don't get it now. We get it later. $8K only entered 4 lots. Is that a funded? If it's a funded, that's not bad. First CP, I'm looking to go break even at 1921.
Hold on one second. I'm gonna send this link to somebody. Share, copy. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I joined it, but I don't know if you guys could hear me. All right. Hey, can you guys hear me now? What it do? What it do? Oh, yeah, sorry. No, I can't hear you guys. I could only hear. I can't. I mean, I'm gonna say I'm only could hear myself, well, of course, but I can't hear you guys.
So right here. Ideally, right?
Yeah, cause I don't. Cause if you guys look at the top where our little pictures are at, like a little circle goes around my name. I don't see no circle or nothing going around your guys' name. Do you guys see it? Or what if we? That's funny. I mean, what if we just did it the way we did it before, where we joined the like the DVS little call room area? Streamer mode is enabled. You have
37 trouble flipping bears here. This is the last 5 of the hourly. All right, so this is key here, chat. We're above the hourly. We're about above the hourly resistance. The most recent one. I think we're above the overall here as well. Let's see how we close. This is key here in the next 3 minutes. We want the hourly to close below 222. Okay, there goes the 30 flip.
all right. Here we go. We're right at break even now. Right at break even.
90 seconds. Back down in range. Back down in range.
Should I trail stop loss?
The hourly here can close doji or bearish. You might have pineapples here in the same spot, but I don't know if it will. Right now it's pretty bullish and 50 seconds left.
This is cap. I know. Let's try a little bit later, I guess. It don't matter. I mean, I could hear. Can you guys see your little voices? Can you guys see your guys' little like your picture have a little circle around it, like it could hear you? Like a circle pops up. Hey, what happened? Classic? What do you mean? The slippage on FTMO is rat shit. What do you mean by that?
4, 3, 2, 1. We're closing above here, chat. You do have a zucchini formed. Yeah. I don't like how we close here, chat. I'm gonna close here at break even. I just closed here at break even. We closed above, so we can make a bottom wick. I don't know how steep the bottom wick is, or how steep it will be, but we closed above.
Look at it.
You can still drive down. It can give you your 10 pips, 20 pips, 15 pips, right? But I have much less confidence in the trade playing out now that the hourly has closed above.
Wow.
So this might be a bottom.
Damn, I just closed right at break even too.
To flip bullish and drive up.
Wow. Dang.
So
it's all right. It's all good.
For that reason, I'm out. It's just not, because you could reject. Here's the thing, you don't know where it can reject, right? So you can reject here at 2 pips, at 6 pips, at 12 pips. You don't know if you're gonna get there. It's very highly likely that this is the bottom wick for the new hour, and that it's gonna push up. Look, it closed above here. Yeah, for that reason, I'm out. Sound like Shark Tank. I just, break of the highs here will drive the candles up. Now, if it doesn't break the highs, let's say this stays bearish, you guys will have another chance to enter. That means, because this is the hourly time frame right now, and you're getting. I'll show you.
I need shark sell. What do you mean by shark sell?
You're getting your hourly closure right now, right?
What do you mean by shark sell? How you doing?
We are to come down. It's going to wait for more volume. If it does that, you'll probably have candles.
I got out break even. Yeah, bro. Same here.
It's over here. Close above, close below, wick up, wick down, right?
Like I said, remember what I was saying earlier, how the 3-piece was forming. Usually the 3-piece forms to fill in the wick. So if this was the 3-piece right here, which one was the one that got us in?
By 1 a.m. Eastern. Right? If you can just
Or actually, it was this
share
piece.
and
Wait, where did we get in at?
do a little
Oh, that was because of wicks right there.
this funkiness here, maybe by 1 a.m. you can repeat what happened over here earlier. Pre-London opens up.
Right here, this was the 3-piece. Look,
4 hours.
this was the 3-piece that got us in the trade.
And then
Look, this one and this one, right?
that.
So since this is the one that wicked us in, my idea is that we're gonna at least fill in this little area right here. So that's where I think I should have held that till at least. But we'll find out right now. But that's where I was thinking that would have been the
Flip, right? The hourly's
that would have been the little move to that area.
the hourly, but it looks like you're getting
Watch.
the zucchini the other way. Let me get rid of this.
The 3 pieces right here
It's printing
actually.
the motion the other way on the 1 minute. Look, so the 1 minute just printed the motion. You look at. Actually,
Yeah, it would have been
there's
this guy right here.
1
Let's just
minute.
say this guy.
Oh, I'm looking at the 1 minute.
The 10 is right here.
But
It's most,
yeah,
like I
the
said, most
way the
likely gonna
hourly
fill
is
this
closed,
area.
That's a high indication that it should make a bottom wick and come up. If it doesn't, great. You'll have your chance to enter for more.
Yeah, I got out
sells
break even
at
too, bro.
Pre-London. Made $30. A win is a win. Yeah, no, I closed at break even over there, so. No harm, no foul. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it too. Chad, drop a like, sub to the channel. I know we didn't have a chance to see the trade through TP, but when the probability of our trade working out goes down,
I'm out. Yeah, same here, bro. I'm
it's
out.
managers. closure significantly.
All good. Like I
not
said,
really
break
much.
even, live to see another day, protect our capital, and I'll be back on for
Tomorrow,
London also, bros.
7 a.m. Eastern, Don Vo's stream. Be there. We're gonna look to continue the streak for the New York session. Make sure you're there tomorrow evening. We're gonna be there at 8 p.m. Eastern, same time as always, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. We're gonna do this all week. We're gonna keep going the rest of the year. Hopefully, way, way beyond that. Yeah, break even. That's our 20th break even of the year.
I'm out. Yeah, guys, I'm out also. Giddy up, giddy up. Wait.
Unfortunately,
It's all good. Later, fam. I'll see you guys later. See you guys later.
unfortunately, I don't know. But there's nothing I would have done different in this trade.
Hey, Fawn, look at this. I'm gonna tap on my leg and it's gonna sound like a horse running.
And we'll see you guys.
No, I'm just kidding.
Mañana. People, thank you for coming through.
All right, y'all. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some back testing on US 30 and GJ. Yeah, good idea. Are you gonna try to find some three pieces?
As we're streaming London, you guys go hit up on the stream 2 a.m. And I'll see you guys in the morning and tomorrow evening 8 p.m. Eastern. Let me set you guys up with an outro song. So we can
Uh-oh, turn it up. Look what
as
Wix.
we are dipping from here. Go to the exit signs. Nobody rush. Nobody panic. Nobody push. Give the valet your tickets and wait for your car. You gotta go home. But you gotta get the fuck up out of here. All right, gang. That's it. Stream over. Drop a like before you dip, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Love and wisdom to you all. And just like that, Green knows it. Another Asian session is in the books, baby.
I thought he was gonna play his song. I done some liquidity grabs on US 30 last night, so yeah, supply and demand. Nice. Damn, look at this guy. Damn, I guess good thing we got out, right? There it is.
Look at that closure. Look at that closure. Perfect closure. See you guys tomorrow.
See, Wiggs, he thought he seen it too. Look at that candle. Yeah, that was crazy candle. No, technically no, because this one broke the low. Remember, this one broke the low right here. I mean, this one almost, yeah, but then, you know, we needed that top wick to come up like that. Unless we're looking on a... No, not that one. 30. We after this one more minute, there's one more minute on this candle. I'm probably gonna be heading off. But I'll be on for London again though, so I'm gonna have to probably get ready to go to sleep in a little bit. Wake up in about 4 hours, get on London, and then go to work 2 hours after that, and be all day at work all day till Wix's stream. But like I said, I'm not a successful trader yet. So what do I have to do? I have to either decide to go to work again or keep trying and keep trying, so that way I don't have to. But eventually it'll happen, bros. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I'm happy. I'm grateful. like I said, I'm grateful for where we're at. I'm grateful for where we're learning everything. I'm grateful for it. Like I said, just remember, it could always be worse. We could not know nothing and barely be starting, you know. So it could always be worse. But all right, fellas, I'll see you guys on the flip side, and have a good night. I'll see you guys.